Ate, what are you doing? Give me your bike if you don't want to use it. You want to give it to me? Oh, so dirty, ew. Give it to me. Put in my pocket. Put in my pocket. Thank you. Yeah. Uy, yung scooter. You forget. Go. Put in my pocket. You run with your mom.
No.
You stay with me?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
What you want to tell to your friends? You have friends? You have allergic rhinitis now, right? Which one? Tanong mo kay brother kung saan mo makikita yan. There's a board here. You don't want to go in the museum na? What you gonna do in Al-Ain Mall? Huh? What you gonna do in Al-Ain Mall? Mm. Jada, you go there in the, so that I have your video also there.
That's just scary.
No, that is a bird house. No, yeah, it's look like a monster, right? When you are watching.
Too many eyes.
Yeah. That is for the bird. The bird is lying down there. They're sleeping inside.
It's so scary.
Really? Si kuya nga, oh, hindi natatakot mag-isa dito. Kaya nga. Gusto mo sumahod?
Give me my scooter.
Why?
I want the scooter over here.
It's because it's going down.
Yes.
Yeah, go. You will go down there. No need to use your foot. It's going down, right? Go. Jada, you the one? It's going down. See? It's nothing there, mommy. Go,
Farm lang talaga siya, farm.
Yeah. Di ba akala natin dito dati yung siya? Sementeryo?
Oo, kala ko gusto mo.
O yung isa yun?
Hindi.
Cut his head.
Yeah, cut his hand, right? Which hand? The left hand. We don't have left. Oh my God. On the side, everyone. Maybe that is car outside.
Touch him. I want to touch him.
Go at the stage. Go in the stage. How can you touch him? Much better if they put some deer here. No. Wala nga. Baka alien yan. Right?
Na bumaba sa Abu Dhabi.
Yeah. Jaden, you can ride Gordon's look. Jaden, you can ride. I will pull. Ride, I will pull.
Nahiga lang masakit. Pag nahiga, tama, mag-ano ka, lakad-lakad ka lagi.
Why you stop it? Jaden, where you going? Move this one. Move. I will push you pala. You make it control, okay?
I want faster. Faster? I like fast.
If you get fast, you will go straight, right? Go to your ano, to the right. Right. Kakain na sila after niya. Huling prayer time na to eh. Tinatawag na sila para magdasal. Adan. Ay, pushing Ate Jada. I'm making a video also. Mommy, push Jada.
And I'm getting that.
Hold.
Like this. And then
Oh my God.
I'll do like this.
I cannot control. You need to control this. Uy, don't think that one. You will become Muslim.
Matangkad kasi si Jada kaya nagtuturo.
Oh my God.
Happened, mommy, because you know how to do it.
Sama naman tayo yung pinapapala.
It's twice this year. Happened, mommy.
Huy, mommy, you're wrong. Don't hold him. Just push her at the back. Push Jada at the back. Oh, mommy, go. Go. Your brother is such a mess. See? You're a Superman. You're a Wonder Woman.
And why he changed his mind?
Which one?
Why did he change his mind?
I don't know why he's changing his mind. What? What are you saying to him? Are you okay?
Yeah. Mommy, tell me.
Ah.
There's a black wings in the trees.
Black wings?
Yeah, mommy, tell me.
Oh my God, there is a black wing. He said,
What's that?
I don't know to him. You know your brother always believing to your mom saying, right?
I don't believe you. But I believe her because he always scared of me.
You believe her? Are you sure? Look at this. Look at the trees. Someone behind that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not scared.
You're not scared?
Mommy, Daddy, there's a cocoon. There's
It's not a cocoon.
I thought it was a big cocoon. I thought there's a big cabbage baby cocoon. I thought it was a cocoon. That's not a cocoon. I want a cocoon. We're going back in the car?
Yeah.
Yay! And we're going to buy clothes and we're going to Allen Mall.
Yo, Jada, don't lay down. What are you
I
doing?
couldn't control it. I couldn't
Which one?
control it. My scooter is control.
Because you need to advance here in the front. Your foot is on the back. That's why you always... Oh, look at him.
Look at me. I'm not even down. I'm even not holding it. Mom, Daddy, is this a marble?
No, that is a trash can.
I thought it was a marble.
Or maybe electricity.
No.
No, that is for electricity.
Ma, that.
That's for electricity.
I did. But I have electricity scooter. It's a song scooter. Daddy, before it was my song My song scooter.
Song scooter?
Yeah, toys.
What do you mean?
Do you know the where you have this one? It will light up. When there's a bottle you put on it. We need to go back in the car because we're not in a hurry. Is that a light
Which one?
in a tree?
Yeah.
Why is a light tree?
I don't know.
A light tree doesn't do anything. Inside the tree don't have light laying on the road. This is the
DC? What are you reading? Are you reading? You are looking. Yeah, maybe that one, this one. This cocoon. Oh, they're doing iftar. So they're eating now. They're eating now. Oh, may video pa nga sila. They're eating now. If it's iftar. That is iftar. Ito na nga yun. Ito na yun. Yan na yun.
Mommy, why there's no rainbow when it's raining?
Huh?
There's no rainbow?
Why they will come rain? There is no rain. How can you have a rainbow?
Rainbow in the
How can you have a rainbow?
I saw a rainbow. I saw a rainbow. Yeah, it's a rainbow.
Where?
I can't. It's faded already, but it's a rainbow. It's gone. Because we didn't saw it. I thought it was from here.
But that is a rainbow.
Mommy!
Hi?
Right there, yeah. I thought this is a croissant.
What is that?
It looks like a croissant.
Mm.
Look at this.
Let's go, let's go.
Smile. One. Hindi dito. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we will go.
Down here.
Yeah, there's a lot of chair. You can sit down there. There. That is sitting area. Ah, sit down. Go sit. No, you can sit there. Sit down. Yeah. Where stop now you go there in the palace. Did you see that palace? You can go there. No, we're not. I will go there. Let's go. Mommy, this is the Echo Choo. This is the Echo Choo. Yun, Echo Park. Yan nga, Echo Center. Yan nga.
Ba't sabi dun daw?
Ewan ko doon. Mga plants lang dyan, mga plants lang. Wala. Dyan ba yung nakita mo na may kukon?
Hindi, sa Eco Center daw. Eco Center, eh, di ka ito.
Ayan nga, let's go nga.
Yan, number 2. 2, Eco Center.
Oh.
O, yan, ang nakalagay. 2, Eco Center.
Ay, hindi mo naka nagpunta doon sa pinakadulo.
1 minute na lang, inay.
What?
Hey, that's my scooter! Stop! Stop!
Here.
This is so nice. This one.
Yeah. I like this floor. Someone will put this in our house. What did you feel about this? This what happening today?
I feel ecstatic.
Static.
It's so sweet. Oh, this is the aloe vera. If you don't know, this is aloe vera.
Ikaw na nakakaalam. Ano yan? Yung ginger. Ano nga yun? Tanlad. Sugar cane pala. Sugar cane.
And this is sugar cane.
This is sugar cane, guys. Sugar cane. Ayun yung cocoon.
I saw something that walked me.
Yeah, that is the cocoon.
It looks like a worm. Looks like a worm.
And if you don't know this mahogany,
It's so scary. It's a worm.
This is a fig tree.
This is a black worm. Mommy.
Oh, Jada, this is the pomegranate. Where's the pomegranate?
It's already sold out.
This is pomegranate tree.
It's already
This
sold out.
one, but nothing.
It's already sold out.
Sold Who buy that one? Sold out na daw yung pomegranate.
Bye.
Already sold out.
Somebody fish that.
Yeah.
Somebody fish that.
Yeah, somebody finish it.
may alaman. Yan ka po po.
Yeah.
Ang laki. The cocoon is very big. You know what is cocoon?
I think there's another door.
Isn't tayo ba yung school?
It's closed.
It's closed.
Daddy's so weird. Except in the
You're a weirdo.
It's locked. Oh, I saw it's locked.
It's locked.
Ah! So this is the end of our tour.
Boy.
This is the end of our tour, guys.
You can bring your car here. Can you please bring your
Where? No, nothing there. It's not open. It's closed.
Hey, you cannot go back like this and we will go
No,
to
yes,
Palace,
we
Alin
can go.
Palace.
Ayan, okay na lang. U-turn.
Hintay ka namin dito.
Sarado nga.
Walang daan?
Walang daan. Saan ka pupunta dyan? Naka-close.
Parang meron.
Ay, di ba? Lakad. Punta. Lakad.
No, hindi.
Let's go.
But did you try this one to open?
Pero sa likod daw sabi.
Oh! Entrance ka dun sa kabila. Entrance.
Kaya nga, entrance ay sa kabila.
Perfect lock. Bakit lang nila nila?
Yung pa naman na yung gusto mo makita. Pero madilim na rin doon. Ano makikita mo? Kaya nga. Yun naman ay, yung palace na yun ay puro bahay na mga,
Dati.
oo,
Ang hari.
mga gamit nandoon.
Ano yung mga lumang
Yung mga pinagtaguan ng kung ano-ano.
Nung hindi pa uso ang ang bahay ng maganda. May mga silya, kama, kung saan. Lemon tree.
Paano sila nabuhay, paano sila natutulog. Oo, nandiyan dyan. Yung bahay nila dati.
Ayun.
Hindi, yung balance.
Yung aling palas.
Bahay yan talaga, tunay na bahay yan. Kaya nga kung nire-renovate yun, it means hindi na siya legit.
Oh, hindi na nga. Kasi ano na siya. Nilagyan na lang po. Magkakaroon ng
There's a Hey, Mama, ang corn,
Hindi, kasi doon puro hagdan
Mama, ang corn.
na elevator.
eh baka nga magkaka-elevate sa doon kasi yan, nire-re-re. Kasi yung ganun pataas, pang hanggang second.
Tapos ay may mga kahoy-kahoy pataas.
Guardians na nila.
Paano humagdan pataas?
Ano na siya, hindi na siya talaga,
Hindi na nga siya legit na history. Ang legit na lang dyan yung mga gamit. Pero bato naman yun puro bato. Ganto talaga siya, gantong-ganto. Yeah. Let's go here. Let's go to the palace.
Daddy, I want to carry it.
Huh?
Okay. Ow.
Okay, so cute. Let's go here. Let's go here. No, ha? Only low.
I thought I go inside.
ano problema nung mga workshop yun?
Just only this one.
Ano yan? Sige, patay mo si Jada. Jada, go to with tita.
Oh my god, I think Daddy, I almost see it. Don't fly.
Exhibition.
Oh, exhibition pala. Let's go. Dali.
What's here? Monkey's there.
Parang tunay to. Dali. Tayo dito pa dali. Parang tunay to.
Let's go there. Oh my God, you will die.
Hey, water. Look, die. I don't die.
Oh, lamig.
Water's scared to me. What's this?
Oh, don't touch that one. Palage is a traditional
Palage.
an irrigation method. Irrigation pala itong.
Oh my gosh, you just placed this for
What's that?
you.
This is how the water flow.
Ano na yan? Dati ganyan.
Can I go in the water? No. Okay. What's this?
Anong meron din sa kabila?
Ha?
Wait, may kabila pa.
Restaurant yung kabila. Okay, finish